So when it comes to finding the brake stop light wire that you want to connect your brake controller to on this 2002 Sequoia, under the steering wheel, find your brake pedal, which is here. Follow that up, and right here, this is your what you're looking for, the brake stop light switch. And you see these solder points. So this solder point here on the right, lower right, at least the way this vehicle is configured at this moment. So I don't know if every vehicle is the same. Every 2002 Sequoia would be exactly the same. It probably depends on how this is installed, but hopefully it's the same for you, and this will help you out. The bottom right, it's connected to a black wire. There's 4 wires twisted. I think 2 blue and 2 black into this white thing. It's all very tight. It's hard to get to. So I'm very thankful that this bottom right one is the correct wire. The way to figure it out on yours is to press your brake pedal in and get a circuit tester, and the thing with the little light bulb on the end, hook it to a ground, and then press on the brake pedal while you're touching the solder point, with the circuit tester, and then the light bulb should turn on. So I will not do that because I'm holding the camera with one hand, but that's how you would do it. That's what I did a minute ago to figure out which one it is. So now I'm going to solder the red line, the red wire coming out of my brake controller to that. So red wire right here, that's the connection I'm going to make. So hopefully this helps you.